Hey guys, Mike here and welcome to our channel. Wishing you a wonderful day ahead. So on this video guys, finally, we are going to be assembling our PC. So lahat ng mga parts dun sa previous videos natin that we checked out and unboxed, those are the parts that we are going to be using sa final build natin, as you can see on the back. So guys, without further ado, let's build our PC. So guys, ito yung motherboard natin. Labas na natin sa box. Remove natin yung plastic. Oh, ito yung ating motherboard. So guys, yung gagawin natin ngayon is we are gonna be installing our processor dito. We are not gonna be using our stock cooler kasi meron tayong AIO. So let's take out our processor. Ito yung processor natin. So when installing this guys, make sure to line up yung golden triangle dito, pangit yung fingers ko, sa indicator or triangle din sa iyong AM4 socket sa motherboard mo. You just have to lift this up, and as we said earlier, line up the golden triangle with the indicator on your socket, and that is already good to go. Lock it here, and you are done with the installation guys ng inyong processor. Sa isang storage device natin, gagamitin natin is yung M.2 nvme SSD. Tsaka ito yung 500 gig na storage device natin. So para sa mabilis na pag-turn on ng Windows or ng computer. Yan. When installing your M.2 drives, so you need to remove these two screws first. Magnetic pala. You just have to lift this up, and there you have it. Installing your NVMe drive guys, you just have to line up the notch. Yeah, tsaka yan. So if you want to tighten this up, yung gagawin nyo lang is to use the very small screws provided by your motherboard. Tsaka screw mo lang. And then, you are good to go. Balik natin guys yung cover ng M.2. Let's line up the hole guys sa screw. Yan. Tsaka also on the side, we'll be screwing it also. So, M.2 installation is complete. Ito naman yung RAM natin. So, this is the G-Skill 30Z Neo. So, 2 8GB sticks yan. 3200 yung speed. So, open na natin. Medyo poor tayo. Wala tayong knife. Screwdriver lang muna. Let's install the motherboard guys sa case natin. So line up lang natin yung mga screw holes. Tsaka and yan. So installing your screws, yung ginawa ko dito is parang crisscross na pattern. So first one dito sa corner, dito. Tsaka yung iba dito. So next naman is I will be screwing naman yung mga screws dito, dito, tsaka dito. Install na natin yung mga fans. So guys, eto na yung fast forward natin. So we have installed 6 of our fans. So 3 at the bottom and 3 sa side. So next naman guys is we'll be installing our AIO cooler. So we have to remove guys yung 4 na screws na to. And also on the back part, dapat ito yung ilalagay. So your AIO pump guys will be screwed here for the orientation ng AIO natin. So we are gonna be top mounting this. So also as you can see, yung mga wires nasa likod. So medyo mas cleaner ang look niya up front, and we are gonna be capable managing all those wires mamaya. We have installed our radiator, and on the top part guys, yan, we have screwed all the screws para secure yung rod natin sa taas. So I went with 8 screws here. So after unscrewing your AMD stock na bracket, lagay mo yung backplate na included sa AIO mo. So dyan natin ilalagay yung pump natin. So parang paganto. Yan. So we are gonna be screwing that up mamaya. So before installing your pump, maglagay tayo muna ng thermal paste natin. So and I think that's about good enough. On your pump, meron siyang sticker. Don't forget to remove this before installing your pump. After applying thermal paste, we installed na guys yung pump natin. We screwed those 4 screws sa backplate natin. Zigzag pattern pa din para even yung pressure again. And the next part is we're gonna be installing our vertical bracket and yung graphics card na natin. This is the Fantex vertical GPU bracket, and I already installed it here. Yan. So simple installation. Just remove your extension slots, line it up dun sa likod na part, and just screw it in with these 3 screws. Yan. So this is gonna be the bracket where our MSI Gaming X Trio will be installed in. So let's hop on to the graphics card. Ito yung graphics card natin. So again, this is the MSI Gaming X Trio na 3060 Ti. There you have it guys. We have already installed our graphics card. That is gonna be the look for our system unit. So another reminder guys, when installing your power supply, you should always loosen these screws para matanggal yung bracket na to, para when it comes sa installation ng power supply mo, wala nang hassle. So in short, you need to remove this bracket for your hard drives and your SATA drives. Our power supply has been installed. So next step is we're gonna be reinstalling our hard drive or SATA bracket. So on this bracket, we are gonna be mounting our 3 terabyte na hard drive. Yan, that's from Western Digital. Ito na guys yung hard drive natin. So we already mounted it. Tsaka we have connected it to the motherboard, and it has connection sa power. And also dito guys sa baba, we have installed our ARGB hub. So there are currently 10 ARGB components na connected. So also, I'll try to do my best in keeping these cables clean. So yeah, as you can see here also, this is our fan splitters. So we only actually connected 6. So for the other 3, yung ginamit natin guys is yung libreng fan hub ng AIO natin. Yan. So there are 3 fans connected here. So enough talk guys, let's go to the front side of the case and let's power this thing on. Yo guys, and we have finished our PC build. So white case and black and gray components. Tatlong shade yung system unit natin. Let's turn this on. Let's see what it looks like. Wait. I plugged this wall. I think that we check. Yep. Hindi ko na on yung switch dito sa power supply. So, let's check if we can make this thing run. So, in 3, 2, 1. Yan. So, our PC is working fine, guys. Yan. As you can see here, intake at the bottom, intake also here, exhaust I mean, and on the top part it's also set to exhaust. So guys, our first build was a success. And guys, if you want more builds like this on this channel, guys, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. So to be updated guys sa mga bagong videos natin, you could always click the bell notification icon. So if you have any other questions guys, feel free to leave them at the comment section down below. So again, Mike here. Congrats to us guys. And peace out.